Hi guys, andito kami sa FAMU which is located along Tagaytay Road, Silang, Cavite. Sobrang ganda ng ambience dito guys. Very relaxing at very nature feels talaga. There you go po. Meet my family. Hello po! While waiting, they serve us prawn crackers as appetizers. Sobrang happy ni daughter kasi sobrang dami niyang gutom. You see? Isa sa mga bestseller dito ay ang bulalo. They have two types of bulalo here, which is the bulalo kansi and this one, the original, which consists of beef shank, corn, sitaw, and pechay. This one naman ay ang napakasarap na lechon. Super crispy ng skin at sobrang lambot ng laman. First to taste ay ang bulalo. Sabaw pa lang, ulam na. Second ay itong lechon. Sobrang lasang-lasa ng mga flavors niya. Para siyang Cebu lechon, yummy talaga. At sa sobrang daming gutom, ayan, napa-order na naman kami ng calamares. Tada! Calamares topped with fried noodles. Ganda ng garnish niya, parang ayoko nang kainin. This is not the typical shape calamares guys. Maliliit lang siya na bilog-bilog. And take note, it's gluten-free. Panalo rin to guys. Masarap. Hi! Sobrang nabusog kami sa FAMU. At eto na nga pala siya guys, by night time. Ayun na nga, ginabi na kami. And before this day ends, we would like to dedicate this vlog to the most important person in our lives, ang haligi ng aming tahanan. We love you, Daddy. Happy Father's Day.